Headbands of Hope, Chasing the Bright Side, Mic Drop Workshop, and now Prompted. I have admired Jess Ekstrom for quite a while, and in this video, I am going to share with you more details about our collaboration. Without further ado, let's hop in. Hi, my name is LaShonda Brown, and welcome to Bootstrap Biz Advice, where I teach people how to grow a biz without breaking the bank. If you're interested in reviews or how-tos, this channel is for you. I believe there's nothing wrong with being on a budget, and my advice will help you level up without racking up debt. To get started, head over to my website and join the Bootstrap Club to start saving on your favorite tools and gain access to my free resource library. What is Prompted? Prompted is an online journaling tool created by Jess Ekstrom that was previously known as Bright Pages. The tracks available are curated by thought leaders all around the world, and the aim is to help you focus and organize your thoughts, reach your goals, and make progress in the right direction. The pathways are categorized by areas of life that you may be working on, like acquiring more skills for success in your work, improving your relationships, or focusing on physical or mental health. All you need to do is pick the path that interests you and get prompts from thought leaders to help you get there. Now, before I hop into my pathways, I want to give you a code to try Prompted free for 1 month. Just go to lashondabrown.com/prompted and use the code LaShonda when you create your account. Crafting a list that's built to convert. Both of my pathways on Prompted contain 14 prompts. They will help you to think critically about 2 areas of your business, and in the Crafting a List That's Built to Convert pathway, you will actually walk through the process of building an email marketing framework. Now, this strategy is going to help you create a system for marketing through email that's intentional, grounded, and in alignment with your values. And we're going to cover topics like, what relationship do you want to have with your email subscribers? And how do you want to handle normal email communication with your audience in the midst of a launch? An email list is of no value if it's not built to convert, and that is what I'm going to help you do. Jumpstart your journey with effective goal setting. Now, this pathway will round out your free month on the platform. And in this pathway, you will slow down, reflect, and revamp your perspective on setting and achieving your goals. If you didn't have a strong first half of the year, there's still time. You are way more likely to achieve your goals if they're written down. So this could be the perfect motivation to have a strong 3rd and 4th quarter. Next steps. Prompted is the first and only platform to have prompt pathways. So I'm really thrilled to be a part of their community of founding thought leaders. Now, if you have a stack of books you've been meaning to read, podcasts you've meant to listen to, and courses you purchased and never finished, consider pairing Prompted with Groove. Both of these online tools help support growth and progress for online entrepreneurs. Journal on your own and then lean on Groove for accountability. If you want to complete my pathways for free, don't forget to use my code LaShonda at checkout. If you also want bursts of encouragement in your feed on Instagram, you can follow Jess at Jess_Ekstrom. Until next time, ta-ta for now.